everyone, back with another keto recipe, and this one I'm calling a red Parmesan shrimp and zucchini dish, and it will serve 2 people. Here's what you will need. You'll need a 12-ounce bag of small shrimp, a zucchini, shredded mozzarella cheese, pizza sauce, Parmesan cheese, real butter, pink salt and pepper, onion and garlic powder, Italian seasoning, a half cupper, a fry pan with spatula, and cover. Let's go ahead and turn the stove on a heat a little higher than medium. Add in 2 tablespoons of the real butter. And then take your shrimp, cut it, and drain it real well over the sink to get rid of all the water. And then pour it into your melted butter. Add over it heavily pink salt, light pepper, light Italian seasoning, light onion, and garlic powder. Give it a good stir, and then go ahead and cover this. While this is starting to cook, let's peel our zucchini. Cut the 2 ends off. And then you're only going to need half of this. This was a large one. If it's a smaller one, you can use more. But cut it in half. And then cut it into 4 quarters. And then into bite-sized pieces. And then go ahead and throw it right into your raw shrimp and be cooking it together. Give it a good stir. You'll see it right there. And then go ahead and cover and continue to cook this till everything is cooked up. Give it another good stir. And then we're going to go ahead and drain this. So strain it in a strainer. And then put it back into your fry pan. And then you're going to add over a half cup of pizza sauce. Give that a good stir. And then if you like it spicy, I added over some cayenne pepper. Stirred it again. And then I turned it on a simmer and put the cover on and let it cook for about 5 minutes, just bringing all the flavors together. Then go ahead and serve it up on 2 plates. It was 2 servings. Add over Parmesan and about 2 tablespoons, or it's actually a 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese on both. And there it is right there. Yum, yum. And it was 12 net carbs for the entire dish. So right there is only 6 net carbs. And absolutely delicious. Another delicious dish. If you're not a person that likes seafood, you could replace it with chicken. But definitely give this a try. And always remember to keep it keto.